There shines a light in the heart of man, defies the dead of the night, a beam that glows within every soul, like wings of hope taking flight. A sunny day when a baby's born, the little things that we say, a special sparkle in someone's eye, simple gifts every day. Somewhere there's a paradise where everyone finds release. It's here on earth and between your eyes, a place we all find our peace. Come, open your heart, reach for the stars, believe your own power. Now, here in this place, here on this earth, this is the hour. It's just a place we call paradise. Each of us has his own. It has no name, no, it has no price. It's just a place we call home. A dream that reaches beyond the stars, the endless blue of the skies. Forever wondering who we are, forever questioning why. Come, open your heart, reach for the stars, believe your own power. Now, here in this place, here on this earth, this is the hour. There shines a light in the heart of man, defies the dead of the night, a beam that glows within every soul, like wings of hope taking flight.